Good morning. Right, we are well into the soft fruit season. We've picked most of our soft fruit now, and we had a huge gooseberry crop this year, and we've turned it into jam, into fruit liqueurs as well. But today we're going to make gooseberry chutney. Right, it is quite a long list, so I'll rattle these off. So 1 kilo of gooseberries, 800 grams of apple, 600 grams of onion, 150 grams of sultanas, some dried chopped chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, some dried ginger, teaspoonful of dried ginger, 1 kilo of sugar, 700 mils of white wine or cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoonful of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Actually, I think I mentioned that one earlier. Right. 8 cardamom seeds, 1 teaspoonful of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoonful of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoonful of ground black pepper. So that lot all in the pan. Right, so back to the pan, and put some heat under this and bring it up to the boil. Right, it has now come up to the boil, so I'll just turn the camera around. There we go. So I've turned the heat down and we're going to let it simmer with this quantity probably for about 2 hours to reduce down the volume and to simmer off a lot of this liquid. So we want it to have the consistency of a relatively thick sauce. Right, it's been in the pan for a couple of hours. As you can see, it has reduced down, so it's ready to go into sterilised jars. Okay, so there we have it, 6 jars, well, nearly 6. The big one is 3/4 full. So, a little sample, so I'm going to have a try. Right, so here goes. Oh, yay. Oh, yeah. Right, it's a dead easy recipe to make. Ingredients are easily available, particularly if you grow your own. Well, certainly with the gooseberries. Oh, right. Right, okay. Stick it in a cupboard for a couple of weeks before you start eating it all. Famous last words. And then in a couple of weeks' time, you start to eat it. That's my phone ringing.